In today's video, I'm going to teach you a Base44 tutorial, how to build app with AI plus publish to App Store. We'll start in Base44 to get your AI-powered web app ready, then wrap it as a mobile app using a builder so you can move toward publishing on the app stores. First, open Base44 and sign in. From the dashboard, head to the apps section. If you work across multiple workspaces, make sure you're viewing the one where your project lives. Find and open your app to enter the editor and preview area. Inside your app, look for the option to publish. This makes your project available through a public or shareable link. Once that's ready, copy the URL. Quick tip: confirm the link opens cleanly in a new browser tab and loads over HTTPS. If something looks off, fix it now. This link is exactly what the mobile wrapper will load. Next, go to the App My Web Builder and click the plus icon to create a new app. You'll be asked to name the app and paste in the URL you just copied. Choose a clear, brand-friendly name. It's what users will see later. Paste the URL carefully and double check for typos. When you're set, click Continue. The builder will fetch your site and prepare a mobile container around it. This can take a moment, so let it process. Now you can customize your app. Adjust the design to match your brand, set permissions only for features your app truly needs, and refine navigation so key screens are easy to reach. This is also a good time to upload your app icon and splash screen, and to preview on different device sizes to ensure the layout is responsive and buttons are comfortably tappable. When your customization looks good, navigate to the app download or build area in the builder. Choose New Build to generate installable packages for iOS and Android. Building might require a short setup and can take several minutes. Finally, click Select Plan. Most platforms require a paid plan to create production-ready binaries and enable store publishing. Selecting a plan unlocks the full build pipeline so you can download your app files and proceed with submission through the respective App Store portals. At this point, you've taken your Base44 app, published it for a shareable link, wrapped it with a mobile builder, customized the experience, and kicked off a build that's ready for store submission. Before you submit, test thoroughly on real devices to confirm performance, navigation, and permissions behave as expected. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one.